Welcome back to AI Wisdom Weekly, where we decode the future of AI for everyone. Today's hot topic: will AI take your job in 2025? The answer isn't what you think. Let's break it down, fast and simple. 1. AI is replacing tasks, not jobs. AI doesn't take jobs, it automates repetitive tasks. Think of data entry, report generation, and scheduling. These tasks vanish, but new roles appear in AI management, prompt engineering, and strategy. 2. New AI-powered careers are rising. We're seeing demand for AI trainers, ethics officers, automation consultants, and even AI psychologists. If you upskill, you're future-proof. 3. Adaptation, fear. Jobs that involve creativity, empathy, or critical thinking, like design, therapy, leadership, are AI-resistant. The key is learning how to work with AI, not against it. Conclusion. So, will AI take your job? Only if you let it. Start adapting now. Subscribe to AI Wisdom Weekly for more insights, tools, and future trends, because staying informed is the best job security. See you in the next one.